Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear little friends. How are you all today? I hope you're feeling fantastic. Guess what? Today we have a super fun and exciting lesson from Zara Publications' new Howard series for English Nursery. So are you ready to learn something new and amazing? Let's begin.
Introduction of V sound. V is the 22nd letter of the alphabet. It makes the V sound just like in van and violin. Put your top teeth gently on your bottom lip and say v v v. Go ahead, try it. V v v. Well done. Word recognition. Let's learn some fun words that start with the letter V. V for vase, a pot for flowers, pushpam. V for van, a big vehicle. V for vegetable, healthy food like carrots and peas. Carrots, tomatoes, broccoli. V for violin, a musical instrument, violin. Can you think of more words that begin with V? Writing practice. Let's trace and write V and V. Follow the dotted lines on your worksheet. Start from the top, slant down, and go back up. Keep saying V every time you write it. Ready? Let's go. V, V, V. Activity, beginning sound recognition. Now it's your turn. Look at these pictures and tell me what they are. 1 volcano. Yes, it starts with V. 2 vest coat. Correct. V for vest coat. 3 vulture. That's right. Vulture also begins with V. Let's write the letter V under each picture. More vocabulary. Here are some more fun V words to remember. Volcano. A mountain that erupts. Volcano vest coat. A jacket with no sleeves. Vulture. A big bird that flies high. Van. A big car. Vegetable. Healthy food. Village. A small town. Video. Something fun to watch on a screen. Voice. What we use to talk or sing. As amazing. We learned the sound of letter V, and we practiced beginning sound recognition. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a letter champion. Next time, we'll explore another fun letter. See you soon. Bye-bye.